Hey Charmers, I just completed this beautiful look on Brittany. Look at this. Looking snatched. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial, just keep watching this video. Hi guys, I just want to start off by saying that I'm so excited because I'm a licensed esthetician, so to have skincare in the box, in the November box, is amazing. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this serum. It's called Kypris, and it has featherweight texture with intense hydration. Guys, I gotta tell you, I used it before I prepped her skin, and her skin looks amazing. I just wanted to let you know that before I did all that, I definitely used that. Highly recommended. And then we are going to talk a little bit about this look that I will be doing with Domonique Cosmetics. It's called Celestial Thunder. I mean, guys, if you see the colors, wait a minute. Amazing, right? Oh my God, guys, I am so excited about this palette because it is amazing. It has 5 matte colors, 3 shimmers. I mean, look at this. I am going to start the look right now. This is my beautiful model, Brittany. Brittany, say hi to all our charmers. All right, so we are going to start this. I'm gonna be using Lunar Eclipse as a base for her. It's gonna look amazing, guys. Look at how well it blends in. Amazing. Great transition color for her. Amazing. And I am going to be using this color called Lucid Dream. It's like a pink, kind of. Put it right on her lid. Look at how pigmented this is, like the pink and the mustard. It's just, the colors complement each other so well. So I'm just going in there and, you know, kind of blending it in. We are just gonna go into and pack the color right into her lid, and I'm gonna use this color called Fireball. So let's see. Oh my God, amazing, look at that. Not a lot of fallout, which is great. See how beautiful it packed right in with minimal fallout, which is amazing. I mean, look at that color. It's so pigmented, it's so easy to work with. We are going to use this color. It's called Eternal Light. So we're just gonna dab it right into the inner corner of the lid, okay? I mean, come on. Look at this amazing look that I've done so far, and I've used 3 shades of this palette, imagine. So I am going to use Mystic Ice. So I'm just dabbing it here. I'm just packing it right into the bottom lash of her waterline. I mean, look at how pigmented it is. And I'm just going back and forth very little, and it's just, there's no fallout. I mean, guys, this palette is seriously amazing. Don't have to do too much, and it gives such a flawless look. So we're gonna go back. Oh my God, guys, I am so excited about this product. You guys don't understand. I'm a huge believer of this brand, and all makeup artists know about this brand. Lily Lashes. I mean, everyone knows. How amazing is this? Just fan them a little bit, dry them out a little bit for like a good 30 seconds before you apply them. And you're gonna apply them right on the lash line. So I just wanna let you guys know, the band is like not too thick, it's just perfect to cover the lid of the eye where you don't see them. So they're kind of invisible, which is great. They're so easy to apply. So I'm just packing it on there, making sure they're put on correctly. I am going to be using this mascara on her from Hank & Henry. Listen, I threw away all my other mascaras. Like, this is my go-to for everything now. This is for the lower lash, and this one is for the upper lash. So I'm gonna be using it just to unite her lashes. So I want you to look straight. This mascara, I mean, it's very pigmented, you know, and when you apply it, it's not clumpy. It applies very smoothly. It's just like, it's so easy to use. The wand is not too big and it's not too small, so it's just like a perfect size. It has been my go-to for everything. So I absolutely love it. I would have never found out about it if I wouldn't have been, you know, with Boxycharm. Boxycharm wouldn't have introduced me to it. I wouldn't have known. So look at how nice and thick it looks. Perfect. And I am just gonna take, I mean, look at this wand, how pretty, right? Perfect for the bottom of the lash. I mean, look at that. You know, it's not getting messy. Usually, like with me, Like the bottom lashes are so hard because the wands are usually so thick, but this one's so thin and it brushes out so perfectly and it puts exactly the perfect amount of product on it, which is perfect. Hank and Henry also made a liner, which is liquid. I'm not a fan of liquid liner, but I just throw away all my gel liners. This is my go-to now. And it glides so amazingly and the product is just perfect. It doesn't let out too much product, it just lets out the perfect amount of product. I mean, look at how beautifully it glides. I mean, come on, open. Just guides so beautifully. It just makes the look so perfect. If I wanted to create a little wing with it, I would have created a wing. I just don't want to create a wing with this look. It just looks perfect like that. But this is definitely one thing that I will not be missing in my kit, ever. So guys, I just wanted to tell you about this product that was in the October subscription, which is called Iconic, which is like a setting spray and it has like shimmers in it, which I really like. So I'm actually going to spray her face with it and so you guys can see how it looks. Brittany, how does that smell?
Like fresh shampoo. Like
fresh shampoo. It really does smell like fresh shampoo. It has an amazing scent. I want to talk to you guys about one of the next products that are going to be in the November subscription. It's Becca's highlighters. Their highlighters are so good. I use them for all my clients and when I do my own makeup, I mean, who doesn't know about Becca highlighters? So this one is going to be more for dark, deep skin tone. It's a rich chocolate brown with like a pearly, feathery kind of tone. So I'm gonna put it on her so you guys can see it. Oh, you guys, look at that highlight. I mean, wow. That was just like a little bit of the product. I'm just putting it on like the places where I want it to be highlighted. But I mean, look at that highlight, look at this. Amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look off camera and I will be right back. Hey Charmers, I'm back. I just finished the look on Brittany. Look at how amazing she looks. But I just want you guys to know something. I'm super excited about this. Boxycharm just came out with some new products, their own brand products, brushes. Look at these. Amazing. The bristle is so soft. I just used it on her. I'm gonna show you guys how I used it. So I would use this brush, which is a smaller brush. I would use it for contouring. I would use it for pretty much a lot of things. But what I did was I used the Becca highlighter and I put it right here on her collarbone. Look at how beautifully this applies. And the bristle's so soft, right, Brittany?
So soft.
It's really soft. It's really nice on the skin. Amazing. This is the other brush that they have. Again, the bristle is really soft. It's kind of dense, nice, compact together. I would use this for foundation on the face, you know, a great application. It's just overall a great product to use. Brittany, are you ready to see your look?
I'm excited.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
I mean, girl, you're gonna have to go out tonight because you're looking snatched and fierce. Charmers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.